Smoking will be banished in Britain for youngsters, King Charles confirmed today. At the state opening of Parliament, the monarch confirmed Rishi Sunak will mount an historic crackdown on cigarettes by raising the legal age every year until there are no smokers left.
My government will introduce legislation to create a smoke-free generation by restricting the sale of tobacco so that children currently aged 14 or younger can never be sold cigarettes, and restricting the sale and marketing of e-cigarettes to children.
The new plans mean a 14-year-old today will never legally be sold a cigarette. The tough new anti-smoking measures would see the smoking age increased by a year every year to eventually make it illegal for anyone to buy cigarettes. The PM has previously said,
"In our country, smoking causes 1 in 4 cancer deaths. Now, we've made great progress in tackling smoking. The number of people smoking is down by 2/3 since the 1970s. But if we are to do the right thing for our kids, we must try and stop teenagers taking up cigarettes in the first place."
The ban will be subject to a free vote in Parliament, meaning MPs will not be told how to vote by party enforcers. But Labour has confirmed its intention to vote with the government, so the new law will fly through Parliament. The plan was originally rejected by ministers when suggested previously, but Mr Sunak has now said,
People take up cigarettes when they're young. 4 in 5 smokers have started by the time they're 20. Later, the vast majority try to quit. But many fail because they're addicted and they wish they had never taken up the habit in the first place. Now, if we could break that cycle, if we could stop the start, then we would be on our way to ending the biggest cause of preventable death and disease in our country.
The government is committed to making England smoke-free by 2030, meaning fewer than 5% of the public using cigarettes. The all-party parliamentary group has laid out 12 steps to help the government achieve this target. These steps include 1. Legislate to make tobacco manufacturers pay for a smoke-free 2030 fund to bring an end to smoking. 2. The UK needs to take its place on the world stage as a smoke-free leader. 3. Set targets for 2025 and update the strategy if the UK isn't on track to reach smoke-free by 2035. 4. Anti-smoking campaigns to people who work in manual-based jobs and to the unemployed. 5. Ensure smokers are urged to quit on an annual basis. 6. More support given to people on social housing or who have mental health issues. 7. Ensure all pregnant smokers are given financial incentive to quit, in addition to smoking cessation support. 8. Fund regional programs to reduce the use of illicit tobacco in deprived communities. 9. Warnings need to be put on individual cigarettes and close the loopholes on other regulations. 10. Reduce the appeal and availability of cigarettes to kids. 11. Allow e-cigarettes to be authorised for NHS prescription. And finally 12. Consult on raising the age of sale for tobacco from 18 to 21. There are multiple different avenues people can go down to stop smoking, but visit the NHS Quit Smoking website for advice. For more health news, subscribe to the Sun Health YouTube channel.